So now, we will be talking about harmonic sequence. We have here our example. We have 1 all over negative 379, 1 all over negative 336, 1 all over negative 293, and 1 all over negative 250. We are going to find out, let's say, the 10th term of this harmonic sequence. When we say harmonic sequence, this is simply taking the reciprocal of an arithmetic sequence. So you have to examine first the denominators of a given harmonic sequence. When the denominators are showing a common constant, or it shows the pattern of an arithmetic sequence, then we call it a harmonic sequence. So a harmonic sequence is defined to be, it is the reciprocal of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so we are going to find out the 10th term of this harmonic sequence. But first, we are going to find out our common difference. As what I mentioned a while ago, your denominators will be considered when they form an arithmetic sequence. Then we can tell it that this is a harmonic sequence. Okay, so before getting our a sub 10, let us try to find out our common difference. So D is equal to the difference between the second term and our first term. You have to note that we are just going to consider the denominators. We are not going to take the fraction itself as a whole, but we are just going to take the denominators of the sequence. So now, our common difference, we have negative 336 because this is our second term, minus negative 379. We are going to find out the difference between the two. So here, negative 336 minus negative 379 is equal to 43. That's now the common difference. And our a sub 1, of course, it's negative 379. So our a sub 1 is equal to negative 379. So the formula in finding out the nth term of a harmonic sequence is denoted by this. A sub n is equal to 1. 1 all over. Our denominator is simply following the formula of an arithmetic sequence, getting the nth term. So we have a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. This is now the formula if we are going to find out the specified term of an arithmetic sequence. In our example, we are going to find out our a sub 10. So we have a sub 10 is equal to, we have 1 all over. A sub 1 is this one. We have negative 379 plus n minus 1. Our n is 10 because we are looking for the 10th term. So 10 minus 1 times d, which is equal to 43. Then let us simplify. We have 1. You are just going to copy your 1 because that is prescribed in the formula. You cannot change that. It is fixed. It is constant. So we have negative 379 plus, we subtract this, we have 9 multiplied by 43. So negative, we have 1, this is 1 all over negative 379 plus, let us get the product of 9 and 43. That would be equal to 300 87. That is the product of 9 and 43. So our a sub 10 is equal to 1 all over. We just have to add negative 379 plus 387. So we will have now, what do you think is the answer? We will be getting now 1 all over 8. So this is now the answer if we are going to find out the 10th term of this harmonic sequence. The answer would be equal to 1 all over 8. Okay, let's have another example. Let's say we have 1 all over, say 81, 1 all over 90, 1 all over 99, 1 all over 108, and so on and so forth. Let us try to find out our 35th term. So let us find the common difference. Our common difference now would be equal to, so D is equal to 90 minus 81. So our common difference is equal to 9. And using the formula, we have a sub, it should be now a sub 35, because we are looking for the 35th term of this harmonic sequence, is equal to 1 all over our a sub 1, it's 81. 81 plus, we have our n, that's 35, because that is the position of the number that will be determined. So 35 minus 1 times our common difference is equal to 9. So we have 1 all over 81 plus 34. That's the difference between 35 and 1 multiplied by 9. So we have a sub 35, or the 35th term. We have now 1 all over 81 plus the product of 34 and 9. What do you think is the answer? We have 306. So our 35th term now is equal to 1 all over. Let us find the sum of 81 and 306. That would be equal to 387. So the 35th term of this harmonic sequence is equal to 1 all over 387. And always remember that in determining your harmonic sequence is simply using this formula. That formula will be utilized, and it is known as harmonic sequence by simply determining the denominators of a given sequence. And if the denominators of a given sequence, the set of denominators is following the pattern of an arithmetic sequence, then it's definite that the kind of sequence is known as harmonic. Always remember that. Harmonic sequence is taking the reciprocals of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, that's it. Thank you.